I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. Thunderstorms developing across the western plains this afternoon. Track east and southeast through tonight. Those storms could be severe from late this afternoon through just after midnight, especially for locations along and west of a line from Ainsworth to Broken Bow, Lexington, Cambridge, and Oberlin, where there is a slight risk of severe weather, a level 2 of 5. The severe weather risk diminishes quickly farther south and east. 2-inch hail and wind gusts up to 60 are the main threats. A building ridge of high pressure over the desert southwest keeps it mostly dry with a warming trend through Friday. Highs on Wednesday at seasonal levels in the upper 80s to the 90s. A low-pressure trough late Wednesday may trigger a few thunderstorms with a low-wind marginal risk of severe weather. Thursday and Friday are the hottest days with highs mostly in the 90s, even to around 100 over southwest Nebraska and northern Kansas. A cold front leads to highs in the 80s over the weekend and the return of thunderstorm chances by Saturday night. In the long-term forecast, the overall temperatures this weekend through August 17th for Nebraska and Kansas stay warmer than normal. Nebraska and Kansas rainfall this weekend through early next week likely to be above normal before trending back to near normal rainfall the middle of next week through August 17th. As we begin the first week of August, Nebraska and Kansas expected to see mostly seasonal temperatures and near normal rainfall this month. Far western Kansas could be slightly warmer and drier than normal for the month. Key weather factors impacting the markets include occasional rain and mild temperatures in the Corn Belt, scattered rain across southern Brazil, and daily rain in the Canadian prairies. The next 5 days, significant rainfall is confined to the southeast and from the northern Rockies into the upper Great Lakes. Additional southeastern U.S. rainfall could reach 2 to 4 inches or more, especially in Georgia and the nearby states. Most other parts of the U.S. remain mostly dry with very little rain from California to the mid and lower Mississippi Valley. Building heat accompanies the mostly dry weather, with temperatures expected to reach or exceed 100 during the mid to late week throughout the central and southern plains. Daytime highs may even approach 120 in the desert southwest. Next week, the ridge of high pressure builds back into the southeast, while low pressure and returning rain chances move through the Corn Belt. Southern Brazil gets a short break from rain before more rain moves in late this week, likely disrupting what's left of the corn harvest, but benefiting winter wheat that's starting to head. This upcoming weekend and early next week, southern Brazil could be drier. Across the Canadian prairies, scattered rain expanded eastward from Alberta this past weekend, but likely was not beneficial for mature crops in the south and damaged crops in the north. Rain this week favors the southern Canadian prairies before lifting north, which could help suppress the wildfires. With the check of your ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.